In this video, I'll be showing you how to watch and save replays in Fortnite. Start by opening the Fortnite side panel. Open the menu, then select Settings. Switch to the game options. Scroll down until you see Replays. Turn on the Record Replays option to save your replays. You can also turn on replays for large team games and creative. You can turn on high-quality replays if you like, however, it isn't needed for most people, so I just leave it off. Apply, then close the settings. Head to the top menu and go to Career. Select Replays from the bottom, or click the required button on your controller. It should be the left stick. If you have old replays, then you may get a corrupt replay found message. Confirm and delete the old replays. Select the replay you want to save, then click Rename and Save. On the controller, you'll need to press triangle or Y. Name the replay, then confirm. Select the replay, then choose to play. Confirm and your replay will load. You will now be able to watch and save replays in Fortnite. Like the video if you found it helpful, and check out another video here.